Isaac Heaney has inspired a resurgent Sydney to flex its fourth-quarter muscle for a 16-point comeback win over Carlton. Left smarting after falling short of a last-gasp victory over Essendon, the Swans dug deep to overcome a slow start and secure an 11.12 to 9.8 win at the SCG on Friday night. The result keeps Sydney in touch with the top 8, sitting 11th 4-6 ahead of the weekend's matches. Heaney was awarded the Goods O'Loughlin Medal as best on ground in the annual Marnbrook match, finishing with a monster haul of 2 goals, 38 disposals and 10 clearances. Swans forward Joel Amati could face suspension after his bump on Jordan Boyd left the Carlton defender concussed. Amati, who was returning from a hamstring injury, collected Boyd high late in the fourth quarter. "I'm sure they'll get looked at very closely and should be treated accordingly," Blues coach Voss said of the incident. "Boydie, he's obviously got concussion protocols now from that hit, so he's not doing so well in there at the moment.